One market. Market will open. Just easy.
Enemy remaining.
Nice.
Holy shit.
Nice. You guys are better.
One enemy remaining. Spike down. C.
Time to jump. Someone see.
One enemy remaining.
Joke's over. You're dead. Fake teleport. I'll handle this. I'm back. It's a good look for
Shooting retake start in 2 seconds.
Oh,
B it sounds like.
TV. Oh my god. Oh my fucking so horrible. Yeah, nice shot.
cutting through.
Last player
One backside.
Oh, one's yeah, that's it. That area.
One enemy remaining.
Supers.
Oh, nice.
Holy shit, that was so clutch. Holy fuck.
Dude, that is so clutch. I almost. Okay, someone watch playing. Oh, they're all here. They're all here. They're all here now. Wait. Heaven.
Ah shit, my bad.
One enemy remaining.
Dude, 2 people fell for the same decoy.
Portal closed. Time to jump. Fake teleport.
As directed.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Watch me fucking just get shit on.
Lights out. Cutting through.
One enemy remaining.
3. Fake teleport.
Where is he looking? Hello? Look at my TP! Oh, back roll A. Finally? What's he doing up
Kill
there?
that. Anyone else?
Spike planted.
I'll handle this. Fake teleport. Out of charges.
One enemy remaining.
I'm back. Time to jump. Fake teleport.
Funny.
I'll handle this.
Smoke's down.
Wall coming down.
Time to jump. I'm back.
Oh, that was so good. Holy shit. We're in tunnel again.
No chance.
Nice.
Dude, one more tunnel.
Spike down. B.
Nice kill.
One enemy remaining.
Last tunnel.
I'll handle this.
Did somebody break the wall?
Cutting
Oh,
through.
he's right behind the wall.
I'm back. I'm right here. Fake teleport. Cutting through.
I'm high.
Flashing it.
Anyone else?
He's pillar.
Right in my body, chamber.
The hunt begins. Time to jump.
Flashing it.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
No bullets.
Oh no.
It's in the corner.
He sticks that for sure.
Thrifty.
Nice try.
If I had bullets.
30 smoke.
Die.
Nice. Good trade.
I can ult through heaven on A.
I'll handle this.
One's ramps, not ramps. One's A vents, and one's
Yo, one's ropes, one's be heaven on the ice wall.
I'm back.
thanks.
Oh, dude.
Cutting through.
You will not kill my ally.
That guy was mid. There's probably gonna be 2 or 3 coming from ropes, that means.
There's 2 heaven.
The hunt begins. Too easy.
101 raise. Coming from ramps.
Portal closed.
What the fuck?
Cutting through.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
No!
Oh,
Defenders win.
dude, you would have had that idea like another second.
I got the ace.
Really?
I don't know, let me smoke mid.
Raise for
Get out of my way.
You're
Oh, they're
done.
down B. One's still mid.
I'll handle this.
One behind pillar and one CT.
Omen's mid.
Time to
Where's
jump.
the...
78.
God.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Actually, hacks, bro.
I mean,
They're pushing A really fast. They're on side already. I can't help you. Nice.
Spike down A.
Cutting through. Time to jump.
Holy shit. Ow. That's actually fucked up, dude.
I can clone for you.
Reloading.
Enemy spotted B.
I'm flashing.
One enemy
Nice,
remaining.
dude. Yo, that was great teamwork. Holy shit.
Reyna.
I'll handle this.
One CT. One on site.
I'm back. Looking for me? Fake teleport. Time to jump. They will cover. Nowhere to run.
One enemy remaining. Last
Okay,
player
also CT.
standing.
Nice.
Planning, eh?
That's bomb.
Spike down A.
Fake teleport. Cutting through. Anyone else?
Yo, I'm nuts. Wow, what's this? He's behind. He's bridge.
One enemy.
Cutting through.
Watch out.
Over here.
Probably trying to push through the wall.
On site. Wall dropping.
That's it.
Better.
Ow. Cutting through.
Last player standing.
Fuck?
One enemy remaining.
Time to jump. Fake teleport.
Nice.
I'm just gonna ult.
You want to play? Let's play.
Chambers up. No, don't wait until my ult to peek.
Decoy. I'm back.
Spike down.
You want to play? Let's play.
Close. And offing in the back.
Oh. I'm slow.
Get out of my way.
Cutting through.
Killer.
He TP'd out.
Coming down. Oh, one's mid. I saw him. I put up for a sec so I can save you.
Lights up. Yeah.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
he's from
One
mid.
enemy remaining.
Time to jump. Yeah.
Here to step.
Oh.
Does he have time though?
He doesn't. I do. I win. Let's go.
Oh shit. How do you
Move, I
go
got
for
kicked.
sure?
Because of white circle.
Oh.
I have a billion ops. Oh my god.
He's an off. What the fuck, man?
Last player standing.
Yeah, I told you.
One enemy remaining.
Fuck.
You like the dry TP?
You know what?
I didn't get it.
different.
I didn't get
I
it.
believe in you.
Fuck.
I believe in you. I believe in you. No.
Fake teleport.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
It's gotta be super lit.
I'll handle this. I'm back.
Nice.
Aww.
Same time. You good?
One's like nest probably. Yo, two mid.
Over here.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
That's probably B main.
Your biggest mistake
Slaughter.
pissed me off. I'll handle this.
Chambers under 2 and 1 here.
Here. Here.
Screens. Holy shit, they're all fucking here, dude. Just go B.
Go B, go B, go B,
It's
go B, go
not
B.
worth it.
I'm back.
Run. Did you see all 5 of them there, or? Oh, they're all there now. Okay, just run B. B's clear.
Now they're gonna be running B.
No, we can beat them.
Yeah, we win
Definitely.
the race.
Cutting
I'm watching Snowman.
begins.
Nice!
The hunt ends.
The hunt begins with the
One
hunt.
enemy remaining.
Nice. I'm darting Snowman. Not really Snowman, but CT. Oh, that's a horrible call. Nice.
Dude, the value on that ult.
They just saw all of them.
Yeah.
Spike planted.
Die.
Maze.
Ulting? Wait,
I'll
don't
handle
peek it.
portal closed. Here.
One close, one maze, and then one.
Oh, Maze.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Also just upper. Just to get if you can.
Oh, Raptor. He's Raptor. He fucked up. He fucked up.
He's dead. GG.
GG.
Watch out, someone always comes
Hi,
up.
I'm pissed.
Yeah.
Ow. Portal closed. Time to jump.
One enemy remaining.
Sands. Not peeking him.
Last player standing.
Time to jump.
Did we clear? Good.
Oh, there's a camera on A.
Where's the camera? I heard it, but I'm not sure where it is. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Where they at?
Could there be bathroom?
No chance.
30
I'll
seconds
handle
left.
this.
One's both CT.
Portal
CT?
closed.
Yeah.
I've darting in 3 seconds.
I'm back.
I haven't.
Aw.
Time to jump.
One enemy remaining.
Time to jump.
He's winning the game right now.
Fake teleport.
Nice!
Now get fake teleport.
No,
what-
we're close. Let's just take it. We can take it.
Alright, I'm coming with you guys.
Oh, shit. I suck. Bro.
Spike down A.
One right on side.
One enemy remaining.
Cutting
It is
through.
Power ciphers.
It's just too expensive for me, honestly. I don't think I can come up.
Really?
I think I made it. I think I make enough to feasibly live in SF comfortably.
Yeah. I actually don't know how much you make, but if you make like.
He's in his cage, he's in cage. He's on
Time to
side.
jump.
Make
I'm just gonna
Last
just play.
player
Okay,
standing.
I was gonna play time, but
No, I'm stuck in a corner, I can't run.
Oh my god. This is insane.
Dude, you're actually so.
Nice. Perfect.
10,000 IQ.
Dude, that was awesome. You predicted like every move.
Yeah, when you were around the box. Like, how did you know?
my third eye, dude. Dude, he has a cipher cam and he couldn't even track me.
That's actually true. You should just gone to skim.
Spike planted.
Okay. Ready? I'm gonna flash you. 3, 2, 1. Flash it.
Over here.
Oh,
One
that was
enemy
shit,
remaining.
That was an awesome combo.
Good try.
Yeah, that flash
Defenders
actually
win.
on the right.
I'm back.
One enemy remaining.
A little bit overcome.
Cutting through.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, that's moving. That's how we win the game.
Attackers win.
I was gonna jump peek it.
Cutting through. Oh.
Spike down B. Last player standing.
Oh, one's up.
Last player standing.
Closed. You're done.
Oh,
Spike down A.
Cutting through.
Spike planted.
Sleep.
One enemy remaining.
Cutting through. Fake teleport.
Nice, dude. That was so good.
good shit.
Wow.
Fake teleport.
I got him.
Deep. Time to jump.
Not B.
Over here.
Two more.
Spike down A.
Idiot.
Spike down B.
Portal
Yep, going
closed. Time to jump.
Two nest, two nest. I think all three are mid. All three mid, all three.
One crossover already.
They could go L though and get spike from mid.
Teleport's broken.
You will not kill
30 seconds left.
That was good.
That was B main.
Cutting through.
Yeah, they got spike. They're gonna run A. Just sprint A, sprint A. Double doors.
Fake
Okay.
teleport.
10 seconds left.
I'll handle this.
Spike planted.
I'm back.
Enemy remaining.
One went cave.
Waiting for you.
Could be cut. No, he's mid, he's mid.
Nice.
Nice job. Nice ace.
I got enemies B.
99 enemy.
Okay, wait for me, wait for me.
Spike planted.
I don't ult. Yeah,
I'll handle this. Here.
go back balls. One in the,
Here.
underneath the hookah in the smoke, and then one
Here.
on Kobe. Flash again.
I'm back.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Cutting through.
Getting half.
Last player standing.
Nice.
Shit.
Fuck it, bro. I'm about to just go in. You wanna throw a tether like
Here.
towards A main?
Wait, can you switch in?
After like wait like 3 seconds.
Make
Okay, I'll do it.
for it.
It's 2 seconds.
Yeah, 3 seconds.
1.
Time to jump. Over here.
Oh! One Raptors. A belt, I mean. And I don't know.
One enemy remaining.
Dude, that works so well.
Deep. Portal closed.
Doors.
Time to jump. Too easy.
Wait, hold on, what's here? What?
Last
Fake.
player
Oh,
standing.
hey, fuck.
Cutting through.
We always flank.
One yellow box.
Three.
One enemy remaining.
I'll
Get 6 bullets in your gun.
cutting through. Fake teleport.
Nice.
I'm back.
Alright, you're better.
Deep.
Oh, that worked.
Yeah.
Back off.
Nice.
I'll handle this. Time to jump.
Watch my, I never know.
I'm back.
Reloading. There's one going over.
Ouch. Fake teleport. Time to jump.
Reloading.
Smoking spawn.
You will not kill my allies.
Three.
One enemy remaining.
Cutting through.
Wait, he elbowed, right? He should be elbowed, right? Yeah, he's elbowed.
You tried to be a hero. Fake teleport. Fake teleport. Lights out.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.